Good afternoon. It is March the 3rd, 2017, 5:35 p.m. here in Hermitage, Tennessee on a lovely Saturday. Welcome to week 10 of the OBS Guided Study Group. The coursework for this coming week consists of reading pages 33 and 34 of the OBS Studio Masterclass document, watching 4 videos, having a total watch time of 30 minutes and 14 seconds. The videos cover top tips on optimizing your video settings, how to use graphics and templates in OBS, Chroma Keying Green Screens, and virtual background removal. As usual, there will be a live Q&A follow-up session the following a week from this coming Monday. If you have any questions, be sure and contact me. You can leave comments on the video or in the OBS collection or in the OBS category in the user community, or you can contact me by email, which I think most everybody has. Look forward to seeing you next Monday, and look forward to seeing you this Monday when we do the weekly wrap up of week 9. So thank you for watching, and we hope to see you there.